Welcome to another AriasWave update. So now we're taking another look at Cardano. And if you remember my previous idea, I did say that we were looking at a leading diagonal wave 1. And quite clearly that has proven to be the case here with the count that I put down in this area. And so far we can see that it's making its move and it's at all-time highs. Okay. Excuse me. So we did flirt with the all-time high for a little while, making higher highs after we hit the E wave back here in the B. We made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I did say that wave 2 was short and sharp. Therefore, wave 4 was sideways, more drawn out, and then we had the other zigzag for wave 5. Right. This analysis goes to show that not all charts produce the same pattern. Okay, so if we just drill down a little bit more, we did call this one an A. This one was a B with a small c, D, and E. Now you will notice that this one dipped below that line ever so slightly. So that means that the E wave ended over here. Okay, so E waves can be weird. They can have really small wave 2s, really long wave 4s. So to me, that's indication of alternation, really. So best thing to do right now is to just switch or move that line over there, and basically that green line is the all-time high. I'll just get rid of that for a moment. And you can see that we broke the magenta line and we are continuing to move up. So this means that we are officially in wave 3 price action. I expect this to continue higher. The target for Cardano is $56, which is a measured move. Okay, now let me go back to the larger time frame to explain that again if you don't remember when I mentioned it. Okay, so Cardano, according to the chart data that I have, started off down at the green line, and it basically retraced almost 100%, and that was simply wave A. We then saw a very small wave BC, and then the D wave ended up here. This was that idea back then where I said I was hesitant to put out this idea because of the small BC. It's just really so unbelievable. But nonetheless, it fit the criteria of AriasWave, therefore I had to post it. And I did say that wave D ended here, wave C for the D wave, and I did outline every wave in between, and that was the end of the E wave. Okay, then we saw the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. I explained the correction already, and now we're making a move higher. So once again, that goes to show the waves are important. They do matter in all situations, on any chart at all, whether it's stocks, bonds, cryptos, commodities, precious metals. It makes all the difference when you know the waves, right? Sometimes you get small waves, sometimes you get big waves, right? There are certain rules in AriasWave. Whenever A is the largest in the correction, the rest of the correction will tend to be smaller as it sort of creates the pressure, and then it just pops. Okay, so this is an example of that. E waves aren't always the easiest to grasp, but as you know, if you watched the previous video, I had basically said it was around here. So just thought I'd give you a quick update on this one. And we are looking for basically we're in a B wave for this one. Let me just go back to the daily again to reiterate that one. So yeah, we are in a B wave. Okay, the A, the B, and the C will be up here as a measured move. If you measure the length of wave A in brackets over here, the orange wave A, and you take the distance from the end of wave B, that equals $56. Still going to be pretty good performing crypto, but it's more expensive to get into it around that area. So you'll only get about 4,000% versus the 6,000 to 7,000% that I'm expecting in XLM. Okay. So that's the big picture. I've given you the breakdown in previous ideas. This is the follow-up video, and I expect to see prices continue higher from here. So if you are a Cardano fan, this is good news. We are in all-time high territory. So hopefully you found this video interesting and informative. Thank you for watching.